Hey, I'm Jason, today in the lab. All right, ready? And then, of course, as usual, we're gonna break this bolt because that's what we do in here. Let's check it out.
Hey, I'm Jason. Today in the lab, we're gonna answer the age-old question, is it a bolt or is it a screw? All right, let's get right to the actual definitions of these things. A bolt is a threaded fastener that is tightened by the nut. A screw is a fastener that's tightened by the head and drills and forms its own thread. So you might find that there's a lot of overlap in here. I don't love this definition because if I don't have a nut on here, this could be a cap screw or it could be a bolt. And we don't know because we don't know how it's going to be tightened. So the real answer to this question is actually there's quite a bit of overlap here. I would say that if you tighten it from the nut side, it's definitely a bolt. If you tighten it from the head side and it drills and forms its own threads, it's definitely a screw. If it fits in between some of that definition, you probably have some leeway about what you can call it. All right, let's do the speed round, see if I can identify what the fastener is. All right, it's got a nut on it, definitely a bolt. All right, this is a very large socket head cap screw. All right, it's got a nut, definitely a bolt. Oh, also has a nut. Hey, it's the Benford bolt. All right, we have a very long carriage bolt here. Definitely a bolt. All right, screw, drilly end, definitely pointy. That's a screw. This guy could go either way. I don't know what this thing is. I'm gonna say tightened by the head. We're gonna call that a screw. All right, let's see. We got an adjuster screw here. And that is a stud. That's neither. And then this guy right here is an M8 flange head bolt. And another stud. All right. So there you have it. We did the speed round. We can see there's a lot of overlap between these, and really some of these fasteners could be defined as a bolt or a screw. At the end of the day, the name really doesn't matter, but hopefully we've settled some of the debate. If it's a screw or a bolt, let's at least make sure we're using the fastener in the correct way and tightening it to the correct amount of torque. All right, we'll see you next time.